talking on how to make 100,000 naira daily with SUNPOWER. 100,000 naira daily with SUNPOWER. Start making money online with SUNPOWER. Okay, firstly, what is SUNPOWER? SUNPOWER is an online investment platform in which they were really into solar energy. So they provide solar energy which serves as an alternative to the hydroelectric power supply, and by so doing they have brings power supply to various homes and offices for personal and for commercial purposes. So they are providing alternatives to hydroelectric power supply, and thus they are making money through this, and they are inviting investors like you and I to come and benefit from the platform, and in which many are benefiting from right now. Okay, so here you can earn up to 100,000 daily with SUNPOWER. So I will be teaching you step by step on how to get it done. But before I go fully into in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Bistock. Okay, Lasogenic Bistock is a channel that is created to share with you my online ideas on how to make money online, how to be financially free, secured, and settled, and also to warn you of some suspicious or fraudulent online investment out there so that you won't venture into such and lose your hard-earned money. All right, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. Okay, once again, I need to tell you that this channel is for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence and research before you jump into any of the discussed investment platform here. But I'm not scaring you, but I just need to tell you the facts so that you can be responsible for your action. But to tell you the fact, these are few ways whereby I have been making money online, and I think it's worth sharing with you guys. All right, so if after you have watched any of the content here and you found it to be very meaningful, useful, and helpful, then please and please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, as it can be the turnaround information for financial liberation that many has been waiting for. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is how to make 100,000 naira daily with SUNPOWER. Start making it online now with SUNPOWER. So quickly, let me take you to the platform. All right, this is the SUNPOWER platform here. For you to get started, you need the registration link. So I get you covered. What you just need to do is to check below this video. You are going to see the description box there, and in it is the registration link. So just click on the registration link and get registered, and you are going to join my team whereby you can earn faster. Okay, and after you have successfully registered, then you will download the app. So depending on the device you are using, maybe Android or Apple device, so you will be directed to the link on Google Play Store to download the app and start it in this way. So you now log in with your login details that you have used during your registration process. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is that you need to click on this purchase all to see different ways whereby you can make money here. So the purchase all, here it is. You click on purchase all, see the different uh products that you need to buy to get started. The first one here is Cheetah HC72M, but is not yet available. The next one is Cheetah HC68M. It only costs 8,000 naira, and you are earning 11 naira 5 kobo per hour. And the next one is Tiger Monofacia. It costs 90,000 naira, and you are earning 117 naira per hour. And here is Cheetah HC72M. You are earning 10,000 naira per hour. Sorry, you are earning 12 naira 3 kobo per hour. And followed by the Tiger by Facial. It costs 30,000 naira, and you are earning 36.8 naira per hour. Followed by Tiger Pro 72 HC by Facial. It costs 200,000 naira, and you are earning 285 naira per hour. Followed by the Tiger Pro 72 HC Monofacia. It costs 500,000 naira, and you are earning 772 naira per hour. And followed by the Tiger Neo 60 HC. It costs 800,000 naira, and you are earning 1,350 per hour. And the last one here is that though they are not available yet, so let's do some calculation. So let's assume you go for the one of 800,000 naira, which is the Tiger Neo 60 HC. It costs 100,000 naira, and you'll be earning 1,350 per hour. Multiply by 24. Sorry, let's do the calculation here. 1,350 naira per hour. That is 1,350 multiplied by 20, multiplied by 24. That is 32,400. 1,350 times 24 times. Okay, let's do it again. 1,350 times 24 times 30 equals to, oh sorry, 1,350 times 24, that is 32,400, then times 30 days, so you are earning 972,000 naira in 30 days. And another thing is that you can subscribe for more of these packages. It's not necessarily that you go for only this of 800,000 naira. You can go for this, can go for that of 500,000, you can go for that of 200,000, and you are going to earn more than 100,000 in a day by so doing. So it's just a matter of how financial buoyant or how financial powerful you are. All right, and so after you have chosen the package to go for here, the next thing for you to do is to deposit and to fund. For you to deposit, just click on me here. When you click on me, then you click on the my wallet. So when you click on my wallet, then you click on recharge. So when you click on the recharge, you are going to input the amount that you wish to in to start with, maybe 800,000, 900,000, to 20,000, 10,000, 30,000. Then you click on the recharge. So when you click on the recharge here, you will be directed to the payment gateway to make your payment, and in a very short period of time, it's going to reflect here in your account. It's going to reflect here in your account, and you can withdraw it anytime. When you have the minimum, you can withdraw your earnings anytime whenever you have the minimum of 1,000 naira. So what you are just to do, there is no daily task. What you just need to do is to be claiming your earnings. So just come to the home, click on home, then you click on my device. Every hour you click on my device here so that you can claim your earning. So you can see I have claimed that of this hour. So you just need to click on receive. You click on receive and the money will drop in your dashboard. You just click on receive. So that is all you need to do every hour. You can do that like 4 or 5 times in a day so that everything will be accumulated, so that you won't be coming down here every hour to click on it. So that's how to get some money in SUNPOWER. SUNPOWER is a reliable platform in which they deals with solar energy. You too can join the moving train, and you can, this is one of the ways whereby I myself have been making money online. It's a personal decision, and if you also you have taken your decision to join, then you are welcome on board. Just check the description below this video to get the registration link and to get started, because time is life. Time is not money alone. You just need to decide on time to know if you are going in for it or not. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question concerning this video, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or through the comment box of this video. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Don't forget to give a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching this video once again. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all. Cheers.